Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kylie. I'm sorry I look like really bad. I just got home from work and literally threw on this outfit. But I'm going to be doing one of my most requested videos ever, which is a room tour. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you guys are new to my channel, since I've been getting a lot of new subscribers lately, I want to say hi and I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. I also am going to plan on making a kind of freshman advice video since I've got some requests to do that. So if you guys have any questions about like school or life or just like high school or anything, comment them down below so that I can answer them in my video and kind of let me know that it's for that video. Also I made a Dote account, which if you don't know what Dote is basically just this app where like you can buy stuff on it. This video is not sponsored by them, but it's simply Kai. I will put it down below in the description if you guys want to know my name. So make sure to follow me on there. I will follow some of you guys back. I'm also leaving for the Bahamas soon, so I'll make sure to put some videos up for that. So I'm not sure how active I'm going to be the next couple weeks, but since I will be in the Bahamas. But back to school is coming up soon, sadly. Yes, I'm sorry, it is. I don't want to go back either. But make sure to start commenting some videos you guys want to see for back to school. And let's get on with this video. Okay, we're on the outside of my room right now. It's very exciting. Here's my door. It's very cool. Just kidding. But yeah, we're going to go inside. Here's an overview of my room. I'll go like this too. Okay, so this is what you see when you walk in. There's like my door, and then right there I have some passes from like Generation Beauty and things. And then I have some backpacks hanging on the wall. One of them is from the Bahamas, this one right here, and then this one's for Brandy Melville. And here's like my light switches and stuff. And then if you come down here, this is my bag that I use when I like go to work or like really anywhere. It's by Steve Madden. That's paint, don't mind that. And this is my birthday present that I got from my friend McKenna. She's been in a video of mine. I'll link it down below. So yep. And then here is my nightstand. I kind of want a new like comforter kind of thing, or what is this even? I don't even know. I just wanted the new like bedspread. And I got these both from Bed Bath & Beyond. My chargers and stuff are right here. Here's my Hydro Flask. I always have this on me, literally 24/7. And I just have some like cute stickers on it. I also have this from Anthropologie. I have this little basket with some lotions and things from like Bath & Body Works and stuff. My phone is most of the time here. Candle. This thing, I'm not sure where it's from. I want to say most of my decor is from Home Goods or like TJ Maxx or something like that. So there's that. And then my little computer case stays on here with most of my like random cords and things. And then here is my bed right here. It's not very exciting, but my computer is always here basically. I have this bear that I got on vacation. I have some like random stuff. I don't even know. I have some lights and things. I have fairy lights which don't even work. And these lights which are from Lowe's. And I have my dream catcher which is from Tilly's up there. I love it. It's like one of my favorite parts of my rooms. I have some random stuffed animals and things from like Build-A-Bear. I think that one's from Pier 1. Some blankets and stuff. And if you come over here I have my alarm clock which I believe is from Target. I also have this cute like hello sign which my grandma got for me, so I'm not sure what it's from. But yeah, I just keep it right there. I have a ton of light in my room which I love. Sorry, I really didn't make my bed. I don't really ever make my bed, but that's what my bed looks like. I love it, and I love the like wood kind of thing. Here is my laundry basket thing. I don't know where it's from. I have a ton of light in my room which I love. And I have this little skull thing which is from Trader Joe's. It has like a plant inside of it which I really like. So yeah. You guys have probably seen this a ton. Oh, hi. You guys have probably seen this a ton in my makeup collections and things, but I'm just going to go over it real quick. So basically my desk is from IKEA. My chair is from maybe TJ Maxx, I want to say. Both my mirrors are from Impressions Vanity. They're right there. I believe I linked them in my makeup collection. And then my Alex 9 drawer right here is from IKEA. There we go. And there we go. Here is I just have some random little things. This is like for my diffuser, some jewelry and stuff. And here is just some school stuff and some lotions and mists and things. And here is like my everyday makeup. In here. So, yep. In this window, I have this little thing from Target right here. So yeah. Here I have this little monkey, which I believe is from HomeGoods. I get a lot of my stuff from HomeGoods. I have my speaker, which I think you can buy at like Best Buy. I'm not exactly sure, but it's the HIII Boom. It's really, really good. I have the purple one. And then I have my brush holders, which these are actually for like cotton pads and stuff, and they're from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love them. They're so cute. And then here, this is from TJ Maxx. I don't know what it exactly it is, but it looks like that, and I just have it hanging. I think it's really cute and like kind of really completes the space. This has to be one of my favorite parts of the room, and I call it like my get ready little station, I guess. So I have this little bookshelf kind of thing. I don't know, this like storage shelf. I have this plant which I've had for like a year and a half. I literally can't believe it survived that long. It's from Lowe's, and sorry if you can hear my dog. I can't believe it's been alive for this long, but it's still with me. I have my tripod and some of my camera stuff right here. I have my garbage can. So amazing. I don't know why I'm showing you guys that. And kind of just random stuff, but okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. So I have some books which are from like the bookstore. I have this little turtle that I got in the Bahamas. It just says like Bahamas on it. I have this, I don't know where I got that. And then I have this little elephant, I think from HomeGoods. I got this from HomeGoods as well. It's like a salt lamp. I actually don't use it much, but I really like it. That's again paint. That's like paint right there. I have paint everywhere in my room from when we painted my room a couple years ago. This is from my friend. This is also from my friend. I don't know. This is like a candle. I don't know what that is exactly. I think it's like rose quartz. Yeah, I don't know. Here is some of my bracelets and things, which I've literally had this since like 6th grade, this little thing. And this is a little chair, and I just have some like rocks and things in it. Here I have some magazines and things that are so old. And I also have this little jar with like random stuff in it. And I have some little things that I got when I was in Arizona. The next one up is the most boring one. I literally keep like change in there. It's so random. Polaroid camera, which I don't use. I use this sometimes to, I don't use it to spray people. That's weird. I use it to kind of get in like the roots of my plant because I can't like water them, you know, so yeah. And then I just have these. I don't really know. Then here I have this. This is from HomeGoods as well. I think it's really cool and I really like it. And then I have this like selfie tripod thing. I don't know, it's for your phone. Oh, by the way, I also have like perfumes right there. I have mostly, then for the top here I have my diffuser, I think that's what it's called. I just got that from TJ Maxx. I get a lot of stuff from there. And then this is my little like thing that holds most of my perfumes and like deodorants and stuff. So most of them are from Bath & Body Works. So there's a look. And this little tray right here is from Urban Outfitters, I believe. Okay. Moving on from that area, I just have this little mirror that I don't ever use. I have my suitcase because I'm leaving soon, and I'll be doing like a pack with me video. I'm planning on it, but if it doesn't get up, then it doesn't get up. Here I have this little like, what is this called? A whiteboard, and it says "You are beautiful, pass it on." I love that. It's from Ipsy. It's really old, but I love it. So keep it. This is my dresser. It's not very pretty, but you know, it's fine. I just have my record player. It's like red, so yep. And then here is a little thing that just has like gum and stuff in it. And these little things right here are from IKEA. This is my camera. Here I usually have some like camera equipment in here, like my GorillaPod and things, but I just have my like remotes and stuff to my TV. Hi! And some like random things. I have my candle right here, which is called Seagrass. Of course, it's from HomeGoods, you know, surprise. I have this little thing from, again, TJ Maxx. I don't know, they just have really good stuff, and I just have the randomest stuff in here you could ever imagine. I have some candies in here. I think this thing's literally from the dollar store from like a really long time ago. Here are my dressers. They match my bed. Fun fact, this is actually a doll bed. This holds some of my shoes, just my favorites. I know, I have like a shoe hoarder. My carpet, I don't know what happened to that. Don't mind it, but I'm kind of like a shoe hoarder a little bit. Like, these are some of them. I love Vans. I love Birkenstocks, Rainbow. You guys know the right, like, I love Nikes. I'm wearing mine right now. Converse, but Vans are probably my most worn, and Birkenstocks and rainbows, but I wear my Nikes a lot too. See, like, my other pairs of shoes are in here, but that's like embarrassing. Like, that's my closet. That's like really, I need to clean out. That's my room. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below videos you guys want to see, and some back to school videos, and some questions for my freshman kind of advice, or just like school Q&A, life Q&A, whatever you want to say. Just let me know for that video. And also follow me on Doe at Simply Kai. Again, it will be down below in the description. I will be following some of you guys back, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Check out my last video down below as well.